Get ready to fit a whole lot more into your day and a whole lot more into your garage. At 6 feet tall, 5 feet wide, and almost 11 feet long, we give you the biggest, baddest, most powerful UTV in the CF Moto lineup. Introducing the all-new Uforce 1000. It's the talk of the industry, and for good reason. It starts with the all-new 1000cc engine, 79 horsepower, liquid-cooled, advanced drive-by-wire technology. Drivetrain, CB Tech, as durable as it gets under heavy loads. The chassis, pure beef and ready for anything. Styling, it's rugged, like the terrain it was built for, and all at an incredible value. Here's the takeaway. You'll just plain get more done. When it comes to suspension, the ride is incredible. Even when the newly designed cargo box is fully loaded, it doesn't feel like it's fully loaded. There's also room for the whole crew, plus all the gear and all the supplies. When it comes to extras, we've thought of everything and called it a standard feature. Power steering, a locking differential, tilt steering wheel, projector beam headlights, 3,500-pound winch, CST performance tires, roof, side nets, digital gauge, and more. Yes, CF Moto has done it again. This time on a bigger UTV scale. A machine that's top of the class in everything but the price tag. The Uforce 1000. Everything you need to ride without compromise.